Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Where is Arella? Naku. Nakuha na yata si Arella ng ghost.
Yeah! You say egg kasi egg.
Okay.
I mean egg eh. Hi guys, this is
Eto.
my Mima.
This is my Arella. May patago-tago pa siya sa kubo. Ba't nalalaman? Pakitaas mo ka, baby ko. It's so cold. Here's my... For today's video, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. What's the one smell you love most?
Men.
Smell.
Smell, ang dami kong gusto.
Ay, yung pinaka lang. The most.
Ay, ang dami. Hindi ko mapili. Yung smell ng daddy ko.
Papa mo. Oo. Kasi pag pumupunta, pag nakikita sila ng papa niya, ang bango-bango eh, no? You want that smell?
Yes.
Sige. Siyempre, pabango yun eh.
How about you?
Hindi, not
Tita Ana.
not only perfume. We're talking about the smell of the apple or the smell of a hotel.
I don't like the smell of the hotel. It's so simple.
The smell of the mall.
Ay!
Ako parang gusto ko yung smell ng hotel, di ba?
Baho doon.
Hindi, mababango ang mga hotel kaya.
Pag pumasok ako doon,
Or
minsan may umuutot.
The smell of your school. Grabe ka naman. Parang lagi ko nakakaamoy na. The smell of your school or the smell of the field,
The poop.
the smell of the mountain,
The smell of the poop.
the smell of the swimming pool. Oh, not only perfume.
You know, I like you know my papa and Tita Ana, I like their smell. They use the same cologne.
Wow. Ang bango siguro nun, ano? Gusto rin ni Arella yung smell na yun. Aside from your papa's perfume, what else?
Lasa na tahap.
Shampoo.
The tiny buds cologne.
And aside from those nga,
Okay.
aside from
I like the
colognes,
smell
perfumes,
I like the smell
the smell of a food.
No, I like the smell of my mommy.
Ano yung perfume na naman?
Kasi di ba minsan natutulog minsan pag-aalis nagpa-perfume na kami. Tapos gusto ko yung smell ni Mima.
Ano ba yung perfume ko?
Wala.
Ano ba yung cologne ko? Wala.
Ang dami naman, hindi ko maisip na.
Oo nga, marami akong cologne. So basta,
Ano?
favorite smell ni Arella ang mga perfumes.
Japan, dato na.
Me, basta ako.
Japanese
Kung place,
cherry blossom.
that's a flower. Cherry blossom is a
I'm a
flower.
cherry,
Oh, you don't like the smell of the flower? Oops. You don't, baba ko yan. You don't like the smell of the flower?
I like it. Pag minsan inaamoy ko dati, yung fake flower, sabi ko, Mami, wala tong amoy.
Ako alam mo kung ano gusto ko. The smell of the babies. Oh, I want the smell of the lungad.
I like the smell of my brother.
Oh yeah, I want the smell of the panis na gatas. like Arella's baby brother.
I want to smell the diaper with poo-poo. You like that? You like that?
Yun lang, smell of the baby. Mabango talaga
I'm
sila.
a baby.
Arella, don't do that. Don't do that. Mabango talaga ang smell ng mga baby. Well, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Say bye.
I'm going to go back to my aunt.